Many people think smaller tile joints look better, but that's not always true. Tiles expand and contract slightly with temperature and humidity. If the gaps are too narrow, they can cause pressure, cracking, or hollow spots. For most floor tiles, a 2-3 mm gap is ideal. For wall tiles, adjust slightly depending on size. Large format tiles expand more easily, so use at least 3 mm gaps and flexible grout. Seamless tilling looks sleek, but it increases edge chipping risk, so true seamless is not recommended. The right joint width paired with matching grout colors like gray, beige, or gold elevates the overall look. Proper spacing prevents cracks and ensures a stable, elegant finish. Our premium marble tile collection, precisely cut and low in water absorption, pairs perfectly with professional joint spacing for a smooth, luxurious surface. Tile and top, more than tiles. It's timeless elegance for your space.